Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Roffie muscle massage gun. Yeah, this is listed on Amazon for around $100, has a lot of very good reviews, and so I thought I'll give it a try because the specs and everything are looking very tempting, especially regarding the weight and size and how you can charge and the modes and everything. It looks very promising. So here's the box. We see a 3200 RPM max, the 45 decibels, super quiet. That's also a thing which could be really important, and a long battery life, and 3 levels for massage heads. So everything's looking good. So let's open the box and see what we get. So we get a nice transportation box, which I definitely really like. Some of these massage guns come just in a cheap cardboard, and here we have something which we can take with us even on vacation if you're a real sports guy or so, or to the gym if you need. So we get a full instructions manual, and we get a quick start guide which I'm going to show you. It hopefully has also the specs. Yeah, we have it here, the full specs and assembly guide. It's not much, I mean, it's not rocket science, it's a massage gun. And here we have the instruction manual. You can see it has different languages, some good information even about the body, where you can use that, how you can use that. And so here's the massage gun, and it's definitely a rather small one, I would say, rather lightweight. It's not one of these super small ones, but still a size which you can still handle easily and use for longer time. I mean, I remember these really large things which are so heavy that you get even new muscle pain alone from holding this thing here for longer time, but that's not happening with this thing. Yeah, and of course some warning here for the front. And regarding the heads, I would say this is pretty much standard. This is what we need, what we can expect. This is a soft one, which I like. Some only provide these really hard ones, so I prefer this thing here. This is hard, and this is also very solid, so everything is how we need that. And we get this charging cable, USB-C. And this is of course what I'm going to do first before I use this thing. I'll give a full charge, and this is definitely a nice thing, also a nice improvement over some older models which have their proprietary charging cables and also external chargers which they need. So here we have everything built in already, and you could only take this thing with you, with the head you need, and you don't have to worry about charging. I mean, USB you get worldwide everywhere. If you want to take this with you on vacation, definitely not a problem. And the charge seems to be really fast. We can see a 2.4 or sometimes even 2.5 amps, which help to charge this thing really fast. So regarding the head, it's pretty easy to use. We have just 2 different types. We have 3 of the heads which are round. You can see that here there's nothing special. They have a perfect round shape. By the way, all of these heads come with 2 solid O-rings here, so they have really nice hold. I've tested this. It's really hard to remove. You can see that here you have to really push it deep inside, so both of the O-rings sit really inside, so you prevent from losing this thing, and you turn basically this thing on and starts working really nice. So by the way, again, we have 2 different type of them. Now you can see how much power I need to remove that, and of course behind the camera it's a little bit more difficult, but it's really tough. They sit really solid inside. So these 3 heads are perfectly round. They are absolutely the same, so it's only a difference with this one here. It has also these 2 O-rings. It's similar, but it goes deeper inside, and inside it is a little bit of an oval. It's not perfectly round. So here we have to put this line here, which you see on top, align this with the top here, and you will feel that you can push this even more inside. So you can see when we do this on the side, we cannot go fully inside. We really have to align this thing to the top, and then we can push push it even more inside, and you can see we cannot rotate this anymore, and only in this position it's fully secured, and we can now use this thing as well. You can see what a good job it does. Unfortunately, camera has a little bit problems recording this thing here. Yeah, it's looking a little bit different than in real life. How much power you can apply here in this area. You can definitely do a great massage job here, and I mean, of course, everywhere. It's really powerful, solid, and definitely also very quiet. That's the thing here, and it is very smoothly running. We see a lot of cheap devices which are crazy loud, and trying this one here as well. Very nice, very comfortable, and still powerful, and definitely very quiet. Let's also check on the different speeds. You can see first level is already pretty fast. I mean, strong, definitely strong enough, does a great job. Medium speed, that is probably my preferred one, and we have even a third level where it's super strong, super fast here. It does a great job, and you definitely don't need 20 or 30 speeds or so. I have seen mostly cheap devices which have up to 20 different speeds. It's just a gimmick to confuse buyers and show them something which they don't need. 3 speeds is definitely enough. Also the professional devices, they don't have more speeds. What you can see is also that it's very nicely balanced. You can see that here it's almost perfectly in the middle, so it's very easy to use this thing, very flexible. Yeah, very nice thing here. Also looks very nice. It has everything what we need. We have the battery indicator, we have the speed, and it's very easy to operate. So if your budget is around $100, I can highly recommend this thing here. It doesn't get much better than that. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.